All right. I have another Reddit style version, again, not from Winnipeg, although I'm sure we have all encountered similar situations, but you guys weigh in. So this realtor said, my client came out of the bathroom and, red as a beet, told me that she had gone number 2, but the toilet wouldn't flush because the water was off. I had a gallon jug of windshield washer fluid in the trunk of my car that we poured into the top tank, and it was just enough to flush. Sure, the next person to try the toilet wondered why the water was purple, but it worked.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, that's smart thinking.
I guess. Like,
yeah. It's essentially Windex you're flushing down the toilet, is it not? Like, is that that is? Yeah.
but if you're doing that, just pour it in the bowl. That's how it works. You don't need to pour it in the top of the tank.
As a side note.
Yeah.
As someone who's been in this position.
Yeah, it's certainly not my first rodeo.
Oh, I had the same thing happen to me. Like, it's a green new agent. It was a rural property. We were touring the yard. The wife had disappeared. Don't know where she went. Went in the house to turn off lights later. There was a smell. This is when I could smell. That's how green I was. It had to be 2011-ish. Yeah, and sure enough, there was stuff in the toilet, but it was rural, and the water was off, and there was a well with a pump.
Oh, shoot.
And it was freezing, so like the river was frozen over. Couldn't go get water. I figured out how to turn on a well pump that day.
Wow.
I figured out how to turn on the breakers
For the well pump.
for the well pump. Well, never told the listing agent. If I did it again, I'd do things differently, but yeah, flush that toilet real good.
Oh, man.
Yeah. And then I had an open house. I was running late too because of this situation. But it happens.
It happens a lot. Always check the water first.
Always check the water, yeah.
Oh, yes.
But that's like, you can only do it if your clients are nice enough to ask.
And
sometimes they just
your
sneak
client
off
knows.
and
Yeah.
use the bathroom.
In vacant listings, though, I try to
I try to tell them, like,
or
Yeah.
even like
Water's
test
off,
the
or it might
kitchen
be
tap or
water's
something
off, yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Or if we're doing like multiple showings, I do like try to make a note of it and point it out.
For sure.
water might be off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In some of those houses, it's not great staging, but they also tape
Yeah.
the toilet
Yeah.
down. And you're like, well, okay, I don't think I should use this
Yes,
toilet.
exactly. Yeah.
It's always nice. I've had it a couple times, not very often though, is when the listing agent like sends you the
Says
touch base and says
yes.
the water's off. Like I was in a vacant house last night and I didn't know the water was off.
Yeah.
Somebody before us, long before us, had used the toilet, but it was just pee, but it stunk. The whole house stunk.
Yeah.
For sure.
That happens. That happens a lot, actually.
Yes.
Vacant listings.
Yes.
It's like, I feel like people are more likely to use the washroom sometimes in vacant listings.
Yeah.
One of your condos one time, it was the same. It was in like a high-rise building, and we had just hired like someone to do video stuff at the time, way before Annette, and we were like going to show him how to do stuff, and we walked into this condo, and it was like someone smacked you in the face with a like a really gross old sock.
Oh,
And I was like, I got to figure out what that problem is first.
Gross.
And yeah, whoever was using they just kept using the toilet, and it was just.
do you think you should tell the
Yeah. At least, yeah. I think vacant listings, if you're showing a vacant listing and something's off, like just message the agent.
Yeah.
I've had it a couple times too with like heat. Like I went showing up, it was like minus 40
Yeah.
and it's like 11 in the house, and it's like,
I'm turning
like
the heat on.
yeah, exactly.
I've done that too. And I'm like, by the way, I turned the heat on.
Yeah,
It was
just
5
so you
degrees in
know.
here.
Yeah.
that change of season for sure. That happens a lot. Yeah.
When I was showing properties to my hoarder. She was driving with me in my truck, and I was showing properties all out in the middle of nowhere. And I reached out to this agent because he said the water's off. And I said, we're only in for a day. Like, would we be able to turn the water on? He's like, yeah, no problem. So we show up, and there's 3 inches of water in the basement because he turned the water on for us, but didn't check like the taps and stuff.
Oh, and they were on, like it was on. Oh,
Like the hot water tank had been drained, and it was open. So he turned the water on and left.
Oh.
And we came in and there's 3 inches of water in the basement. And I was
I'm
like,
so terrified about turning water on in
And-
situations like that.
Yeah.
I'm so
I was like, thank God I didn't do it.
Yeah.
But he's like, well, you told me to turn the water on. I was like, listen, like, I asked if we could. I didn't tell you to go do it. Like,
that sucks.
yeah, it was really bad. And it was not a good house either. So I was like, oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oops.
Yeah.
The waterworks.
I was like, I turned the water back off and it's draining, but
Oh, hope that's helpful.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, gee.
Yeah, it was bad.
Oh boy.
Always check the toilets.
Always check the toilets.
Yeah.
People use the toilets more than you realize.
Yeah.
It's always vacant listings. I get it the worst.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There was one listing we had for a little bit where like it had to be checked every other day because even if I told people to flush
Oh, yeah.
the water was off, they would still use that toilet.
Yep.
Yeah.
People are wild though. Like, I mean, I shouldn't say that, but like, I just can't imagine like myself, like if I'm like a buyer going to look at like 3 houses, like I'm like not going to the bathroom
Yeah.
in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
No,
that.
leave.
Like,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
I agree.
Or if
Or, like-
anything asked.
I was just gonna say,
Yeah.
like,
And
hey, do you
find
mind if
out
I
if
use
that's
this
okay.
washroom? Yeah.
There's Starbucks, there's Tim
Yeah. Or
Hortons.
if they stop on the way. Yeah.
And if you don't want to like go in those places because you feel you need to buy something, if you do, there's libraries, there's
Grocery stores are
Yeah.
always easy.
Yeah, like there's options. Somebody said the other day, hotels, like because there's always a bathroom close to the
yeah.
lobby
Oh,
and
that's
they're really
smart.
nice and clean. I haven't done that
Yeah.
one yet.
No.
I haven't done that
That's a
either.
good idea though.
I'm always the
That's
one
an
that gets suckers
option.
into buying something. Like,
Yeah.
There are always like emergency circumstances, obviously, but I mean,
Yeah.
just ask. Because
Or
all
with
we want to
kids.
do is test the water.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
exactly.
Make sure it works.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.